Unfortunately, we interrupt Dora and Fairy Tale Land for a message. If your pet is dead, call the cloning company. Cuddles, why?
Hey kid, why are you in my house? Oh, I just opened the door. Anyways, you have a pet that just died?
Yes. I love you, Cuddles.
Well, I have the company for you. Introducing the Pet Cloning Company. It's simple. Come this way.
Okay.
We have highly trained staff scientists doing the operations. Just bring in your dead animal and we will clone it. Boom, a new pet.
Wow, but it sounds expensive.
You're wrong. Only today we will be giving out an exclusive offer to the next 5 callers who call 0800 Clone a Pet. That's 0800 Clone a Pet for only $9.95. You heard that right, folks. Only $9.95 for the first 5 callers.
Wow, Clone a Pet sounds awesome. Here.
Call 0800 Clone a Pet now.
Clone a Pet is not responsible for any injuries your pet has while having the cheap operation.